आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली बोलना चाह रहे हैं लेकिन आपसे हो नहीं पा रहा है, एंड यही बात आपके लिए काफ़ी अड़चन पैदा कर रही है, चाहे इन योर प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ लाइफ और इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ। अगर ये बात सही है, so then you have clicked onto the right video channel Neelam's Good Times, because इसमें मैं आपको आज बताने वाली हूँ 8 simple steps on how to learn and speak English fluently in the next 3 months, subject to you follow my steps, because मेरे steps जो भी होते हैं वो बहुत simple रहते हैं, not at all complicated. So let's start with my 8 simple tips that will help you in progressing in your life. Is surround yourself with English. By this I mean कि you have to start reading English and through anything and anywhere. Start reading English newspapers, start reading storybooks, small storybooks, short storybooks, start reading English jokes, start reading English articles, listen to English podcasts, watch nice English films, English shows. Because unless you start this habit, you will not be able to begin your first step. And I would advise, don't start with English literature books because those are heavy Shakespearean language, and starting के लिए आपको काफ़ी दिक्कत होगी as you will not be able to understand ABCD of it. So start with simple readings. Step number 2 is always carry a mini pocket dictionary with you. You could carry it in the form of a small book. You can keep it in your purse or in your wallet, in your pocket. और यू कुड ऑल्सो डाउनलोड, आजकल काफ़ी ऐप्स मिलते हैं, डिक्शनरी ऐप्स विच यू कुड डाउनलोड इन योर मोबाइल आजकल हर किसी के पास रहता है, सो दैट्स अ वेरी कन्वीनियंट स्टेप. नाउ व्हाई दिस? बिकॉज जब भी आप इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे यू विल कम अक्रॉस अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ड्स विच यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो देयर इज नो शेम इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, बट इट्स अ शेम इफ यू डू नॉट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. And what you have to do for that is, the moment you do not understand a word, immediately go down to your dictionary and refer to the word, or write it down in a small notebook if you are not able to do it then and there, and later on refer to your dictionary to find out the meaning of the word. Once you do this, you will be able to develop a new word for yourself, and you will be able to understand the article which you were reading. And most important thing that you have to keep in mind is you cannot procrastinate. मतलब आप डिले नहीं कर सकते कि आपने वर्ड को लिख के अपने पर्स में ही छोड़ दिया, then the word will fly off your mind. So try to be prompt in finding out the meaning of the word which you could not understand. My step number 3 is, whenever you are reading any book or article, please read it aloud. आप मन ही मन में मत पढ़िए. If you try to read it within your mind, you will not be able to absorb anything of it. So you have to read it aloud, because the moment you are reading it aloud, आपके कान आपकी आवाज़ सुन पा रहे हैं, and your brain will be able to register what you are reading. Unless you register what you are reading, it is useless to read. So always read aloud. My step number 4 is think in English. We often get comfortable in our regional languages, और हम बंगाली में, पंजाबी में, मराठी में, गुजराती में जब बातें करते हैं हम अक्सर वही लैंग्वेज में बात करना शुरू करते हैं. But you have to make a conscious effort in trying to think in English. So whenever you are speaking to yourself, try to speak in English and develop the habit of speaking to yourself very often. जब कोई आपको देख नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि अक्सर लोग देखते हैं तो फिर they might have some other view of yourself. So try to speak to yourself, and whenever you are speaking to yourself, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें. For example, आप अपने सामने इस वक्त क्या देख पा रहे हैं? You are able to see a nice photo frame, you are able to see a nice dining table, you are able to see a nice sofa set. उसके ऊपर क्या रखा हुआ है आपके सेंटर टेबल पे? Whatever it is, जो चित्र आप अपने आंखों के सामने देख रहे हैं, try to translate your thought into English, and when you are doing this, record it. हर किसी के मोबाइल में, एंड्रॉयड में आजकल रिकॉर्डिंग फैसिलिटी रहती है. सो ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड व्हाट यू आर सीइंग अराउंड योरसेल्फ, एंड बाद में उसको सुनिए. Once you hear, आप खुद गेज कर पाएंगे whether you have been able to speak the right things or not, whether you have used the right words or not. This is a very big progressive step. My 5th number step is watch a lot of English movies. Now, when you watch a lot of English movies, it becomes very difficult in the initial step to understand their accent. You could also, for that matter, watch any international global movies with English subtitles. जब आप English subtitles आप देखते रहेंगे, पढ़ते रहेंगे, that will help you not only to understand the movie but also at the same time to translate those actions and see how it is being said. I also have a very nice idea for you, is that कुछ English movies की आप dialogues लिख लें. आप गूगल करेंगे तो आपको डायलॉग्स मिल जाएंगे, या आप पॉज कर दीजिए उस स्टेटमेंट को अपने मोबाइल पे या अपने टीवी पे, सो यू विल बी एबल टू गेट दोज डायलॉग्स, राइट डाउन दोज डायलॉग्स एंड लर्न इट. एंड व्हेन यू लर्न इट, record yourself and hear them out. In this way, you will also be able to understand your progress level and you will be able to compare with the actual speaker. So this is also another important step which will help you to improve your English at a very speedy rate. My next step is learn 3 new words every day. It is better said than done. Initially, people get very boosted and they just try to follow it for 2 to 3 or 4 days maximum. But no, you have to make this as a routine in your life. Trust me, this is what I follow in my personal life as well. And that is how I am able to, at least I make an effort to amplify or expand my vocabulary. Learn 3 new words every day and write it down in your pocketbook. Learning them will not only help, you have to make deliberate attempts in consciously using those words while you are speaking to your friends or to your relatives or to anybody for that matter. Only then it will be helpful for you. So start practicing this right from today. And don't try to learn the heavy words. Initially, since आप English fluently बोलना चाह रहे हैं, so initially start off with very simple words which are used in our day-to-day life and learn those words. My step number 7 is make conscious effort and deliberate effort in speaking in English with your friends, with your relatives, with your parents or with your spouses. Sometimes you might feel कि मुझे इतनी अच्छी तरह से इंग्लिश नहीं आती, मैं ब्रोकन इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ या बोलती हूँ एंड सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा. Forget it. At this point of time आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि आपका सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा. आपको ये सोचना है कि आप सामने वाले से किस तरह से बात करके आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस, अपनी फ्लुएंसी को ला सकते हैं. Even if you speak wrong, if your friends or if your spouse, if your parents are true to you, definitely they will make an attempt to correct you. That way you will also get corrected. आप अपनी गलतियां समझ पाएंगे एंड धीरे धीरे आपका हौसला बढ़ेगा कि आप जो भी इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं, अगर आप उसको इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे बोलने में, so how will you understand your performance? Don't be hesitant to do that. And my last tip is do not try to speak very fast. अक्सर मैंने देखा है लोगों को, those who are not very strong in speaking English, they want to give a feeling that my English is very strong and they try to rush up their sentences. And इसमें गलतियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं. So do not try to rush your sentences. Take your time, speak slowly and compose and frame your sentences in your mind properly first and then execute. इससे आपको क्या होगा, आपके वर्ड्स भी गलत नहीं जाएंगे और आपने जो वर्ड सीख के रखे हैं वो भी आप आराम से अपने सेंटेंस में फिट करके सामने वाले को आप एक्सप्लेन करके समझा सकते हैं. And restrict yourself to simple sentences until you gain confidence. And after 3 months, once you gain confidence, you will be able to speak as fluently as those people you have always set as your benchmark to speak in English. So try out these. So guys, this was my detailed video on how to speak in English fluently. But याद रखिएगा, कोई भी चीज़ आसान नहीं होता है. This is not a one-day process. You have to make a routine for yourself and inculcate these steps on a day-to-day basis, which will help you in learning English in a jiffy. So I wish you all the best and जल्दी से सीख के मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि आपकी इम्प्रूवमेंट आपने कितनी आगे तक लेके गए हैं and where are you today. So guys, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up and share my channel. Till then, आप खुश रहिए और चुस्त रहिए जहाँ भी हैं. I love you all. Happy Horse!